The time is 8 AM on a Sunday and we are somewhere in a service station in Northampton. Welcome to Supercars of London. Welcome to Tom's rear-wheel drive Hurricane, and today we are going on an adventure. And as always, you finished? Finished?
Yeah.
As always, Tom insists that we drive the entire length of the country to pick up his new car, but this time I insisted that we leave super early so we don't get there at night time. So let's jump in his car and go. And what are we doing? 13 miles an hour.
Should I just go down the whole shoulder? They won't be able to outrun me.
Do not overtake. Do not overtake. That's what it's saying.
I think it says try and overtake. 14. Hey! 20. Oh, slow down.
We have not moved more than like 300 yards and Tom's fuel's gone down to 108. The last clip was 144, and because we've got down to first gear and... oh no, we're in second gear.
So we're in third and I'll probably choke out or something, I don't know.
Yeah, not a good idea.
I might just tell them and go past them and say, look mate, you're wasting my fuel.
I'm going to run out of fuel.
Get out of the way.
Oh, there they go. They're gone. They're gone. They're gone. We're good.
Hey! Hurry up.
You've got
Sport mode. Hey!
You've got 84 miles of fuel. We are 3-4 miles out. 5 minutes I'd say on these sorts of country roads, I think. I have no idea really. It don't make sense at all.
No.
But once we get there, you are handing the keys over to this car.
All three of them, yeah.
And picking up a new car, which is very exciting. And you've managed to bully me, Alex, Cal and Anish into driving.
I tried to stop you from coming, but you insisted on sitting in here for 4 hours.
I'll buy all your food.
What do you want from McDonald's? Anything off the pound saver menu? But don't look at the other side, that's too much.
I can see a sign. Here it is.
Defender.
There. We're not here to pick up a Defender. Oh, there it is. Well, it's massive. I wasn't expecting it to be so big.
So they all say. No, I've never heard that.
Oh, it's great. Audi Porsche 911 Turbo S, very nice. Oh, look at that, Mark 1 Gallardo. The bag of belongings.
Organised as always.
Or bottles.
Oh no,
here we go.
Yeah, handbrake, excellent.
We're gonna brave. Oh, don't hit the car.
Ah, why is it beeping at me? Shut up.
Oh, it's so wet. Oh, this is awful weather.
It's absolutely terrible. I can only apologise.
I really had no idea that this place existed, but the calibre of cars that they have here is unbelievable. First of all, that SV is probably the best spec SV I've ever seen. They've got tons of GT3 RSs, GT4s. They've got a factory spec satin black painted 488, 2 Aventadors. Man, this is just, it's like a sweet shop for adults. Insane to see some incredibly cool cars on a Sunday so early, and in a place called Knaresborough, which I'd never heard of before today.
Oh yeah? yeah. You can do the honest. All right, go for it. Go.
Here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! Didn't realise it was like had a spark in the paint as well. Yeah. How do you like all that? All the little marks? That's awesome, man. Really happy.
Oh, good, I'm pleased with it all.
Nice one. Good stuff. Thank you very much.
There it is. Plate on.
It's exciting. Yeah. That name again.
We get together and try that.
we've had many discussions about what we were going to say on this bit of the video. We've had talks about, oh, there it is. We've had talks that we were going to sort of try and like trick, or not trick, but be ignorant to the fact that we've actually picked a new car up, because it's a black car, titanium wheels with yellow calipers. It's exactly the same spec as your Hurricane.
TG spec.
Tom is firmly in wet mode. Wet mode.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is.
The whole way home,
I think they preset it. See you later, gents. Cheers.
See ya.
Cheers. Oink. Yeah, if you're hoping for an accident, you won't see one yet. Water's coming into the door. Christ.
Fuck's sake. Yes. There's no speed bump.
Into Ferrari ownership and I'm soaked. Alright, I'm taking it back. How do I get a refund? Crying out loud. Yeah, you're gonna have to get your beeper out as well, because I just swore. Crying out loud. And I don't know where I'm going.
Are we just going straight back home?
Well, I don't know, yeah, I mean, unless you want to do a lap of Yorkshire. I can tell this is so dangerous. Like, you can just tell.
Right, where do we go? Right.
You're in a lot of trouble.
Right here.
If you're grinning, stop. Because you are in a lot of trouble.
Are we going the right way?
Well, you said go right. Oh no, what is this?
We're in a width restriction.
Good, that's exactly what I wanted.
Nah, it's not too bad. Not too bad.
Oh well, wet jeans on cream seats are probably quite a good idea, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's either a good idea or a bad idea. I can't remember which one it is.
Bad idea. Speed bump, speed bump, speed bump.
Oh, what? How low is it? I'll find out. Where's the nose lift?
Has it got no?
Yes, it's got nose lift. Read the spec. Yeah.
Has it actually got nose lift?
Yeah, I specified that I wanted one with
there. That looks.
Sounds healthy. Well, you might want me to go through that, but I'm not going to.
Shouldn't have told you about it.
A few wet leaves in the centre of the road, they're nice and grippy, aren't they? It's in wet mode, nothing can go wrong.
I immediately notice how direct the steering is, because
the guy at the dealers, before I drove out, he put it in wet mode because he's just looking out for me, really, because he knows.
And as if by magic, somewhere, there's the sun. Is that the sun? Yeah, there's the sun. The sun has appeared, the roads are drying.
Someone up there is trying to look out for me. When can I take it off wet mode?
I'll tell you when to take it off wet mode, and okay. Right, it is not now.
Let me know. Glare it out.
You're wearing a cap.
Oh yes. A good cap as well. 11ing.co.uk. Yeah, these paddles, mate, they change gear. Do you want me to show you where they are? This one
not on a
down.
bend. Not on a bend.
Wow. I'm actually terrified. I'm genuinely terrified. On a wet corner, it's a good place to do it?
No, not a good place.
Okay, watch me one-handed. Because I think I'm going to stop scaring you. I'm going to put it back in auto and behave.
Auto button is right next to launch. Look at the road. It's dry. You're in trouble. I'm tired, but in trouble. Have you engaged sport?
We're in sport. What does race do?
Definitely, race does something to traction.
It's not alerting. I don't know. Oh dear.
You're nervous.
I am terrified, absolutely terrified.
Someone's kicking up stones.
I got the little shift lights going there. So,
did you?
Yeah.
Oh, does sound good. We just had a brief discussion that I was like, hold that thought, let's get the camera rolling, because we started to talk about what Tom is thinking about doing in not modifying, but aesthetically changing various bits and pieces around the car. Got a carbon front splitter, but you were talking about carbon center wheel
caps. Is that it? Or
Yeah, so when you split the car from new, you can option the centre caps in carbon as opposed to the yellow ones that are on there. And I like those little bits of carbon, so I bought them from Ferrari already.
So you've got that coming. So there won't be. So the only yellow on the wheels will be the front of brake calipers.
Yeah, and the skid rear shields above the wheels.
Yeah. Okay. What else? What else are you thinking? Because it's a nice spec. It's exactly similar. Not exactly the same. Similar to the Hurricane.
Very similar, apart from the interior.
Yeah.
I want so they've got the central rear fog light. Is that a fog light? Brake light, the F1 light in the centre at the back. I'm going to replace that with a carbon one again from Ferrari.
And the other thing that I was going to say was that you have got a chrome prancing horse on the front and the back of the car.
Yep.
It's the only bit of chrome on the car. And I don't like chrome, but it's not my car to make the decision. But
I might liquid dip it in satin black.
yes,
If it'll make you happy.
It will make me very happy.
Just for you. Yeah, I'll do that. And then it'll be stealth.
Exhaust system.
Full IPE is on the cards. If anyone knows a better exhaust.
Full IPE.
I don't know.
That will spit flames.
Okay. Good.
We're rolling, and sadly it's the end of the video. We have made some good time back. The sun is in our eyes. I'm absolutely shattered. You're pretty tired as well, and we're hungry.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, it's been an early start. It's been a long day, but a very exciting one. So it's always the case. When you wake up early, you're too excited. You peak too early. So with about half an hour left, there's not too much to film, because obviously I'm going to be meeting up with Tom again to film more of a proper video once he's got to grips with the car, hopefully with some better weather and drier roads. So that will be coming soon, and of course once this exhaust system comes and everything else starts happening, I'll kind of be documenting the process on my channel as much as you will on your channel and through Instagram and everything like that.
Yeah.
So TGE_LDNM is where you'll find him on Instagram and Twitter, and TGE TV is YouTube, right?
Yeah.
When was the last time you uploaded a video?
4 months ago, but I promise there'll be a video from today, but I can't promise it'll be very good. In fact, it'll be terrible. Please watch it and subscribe.
There'll definitely be some videos, but please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you think this is the worthy upgrade to the Hurricane rear-wheel drive, which I definitely think. It has been a lot of fun, super comfortable, and quite quiet as well. But once you get the exhaust system, it won't be so quiet. And I'm also not looking forward to once you realise and start to start to learn about the power of this car.
Yeah, you're screwed. You are screwed. So am I.
So click subscribe, and I will see you soon. Cheers guys, thank you for watching.